Hi everybody. So we are at the end of 2021. Today is 31st December 2021. So I was evaluating our research potential in the laboratory of cell and molecular biology at the University of Calcutta, and during this pandemic year we have published 8 research articles, one book. As you all know, is a COVID-19 pandemic, a comprehensive understanding, comprising of 14 chapters, of which 11 chapters have been written by our scholars and MSc dissertation students. So on this note, we started our journey on the very first research article by Ankita Mrida. She actually talks about a algae which is known as Cladophora glomerulata, and shows that it has very good potential in inhibiting the growth of lung cancer in a cell line A549. Then we have a good publication from Anirban Choni and many co-authors, of which he has seen the role of Garcinia kawa extract in different cancer cell lines, and find out that it has a very good potentiality in combating the growth potential of various cancers. After that, there is a very good article by Shaporja. It's basically a review article which deals with one of the lichen species, Parmotrema species, and she has shown different antioxidant potential pharmacological activities of this unique lichen. After that, we have a very good interesting paper, and this is actually our first paper in Leishmania from our lab. This is by Nivedita Pine. Actually, what she has done, she has taken some molecules which are prevalent in Garcinia kawa, and she has docked those molecules in different receptors of Leishmania, target proteins of Leishmania, and she has found out that there is a compound named norquanin which may be of great importance in combating the growth of leishmaniasis. So this is a very good work by Nivedita. Then after that, we get another publication which is actually a longitudinal publication, where Amrita has shown that by screening a wide variety of mushrooms, she has found out that a wild and edible mushroom known as Astrias hygrometricus is a very potent mushroom in inducing apoptosis and antiproliferative activity on MOL4 cell line, which is a robust acute T cell leukemia cell line. Then after that, we have two publications. First one is by Debadrita Paul regarding the SARS coronavirus. So what she has done is that she has analyzed various mutational profile throughout the globe, and also analyzed 749 mutational profiles of India till 31st March 2020 that was submitted in the database, and she has found out some of the unique epitopes that are very important for vaccination development in combating this spread of this virus. So this is a very good publications from Debadrita, which has already been accessed by more than 1,000 people across the globe, and it is one of the 7 tracked article of the 13 of that journal. After that, we have another very good publication by Aheli. She was actually working on a plant named Plumeria alba, and after doing some in vitro work and a thorough docking study, in silico docking study, she could find out there is a novel compound named plumerecin which can induce anti-proliferative effect on leukemic cell line. So this is also a good one. And the last publication of 2021, which is by Srija. She has done extensive work regarding the virus is how we can check. So for that note, what she has done is that she has taken some drugs which are already standard drugs, and she wanted to see whether those have potentiality in combating the SARS coronavirus spread or not. So on doing that, she has taken some drugs which are used in hypertension, cardiac disease and so on, and after docking of 10 such drugs with 3 targets like ACE2, MPRO and RNA dependent DNA polymerase RDRP, she has been able to find out that there is a drug which is known as RO282653, which has a very great potentiality in combating the SARS coronavirus too. So these are the basically 8 publications, and for that I will actually encourage our current scholars and also the MSc students, those who are associated with my lab during their dissertation work and those who will be associated in future or are associated, to work hard and publish very good articles in reputed journals in the world of science, and I hope in 2022 we will publish very good article in future and come back to you again at the end of the year. Thank you everybody and have a very nice year ahead. Thank you.